You won't believe this. South Korea might be the next country to add bitcoins to its strategic reserves. Seriously, think about it. Another major economy stacking bitcoin while everyone else is still debating it. This could be the sparks that set off a global wave of adoption. But here's the real question. What does this mean for you and your future? Stick around, because what's happening right now could change everything. Picture this: South Korea total reserves are at the lowest in 4 years. Their reserves include US dollars, government bonds, corporate bonds, and gold. That is over $409 billion in total. But gold? That only makes up about $5 billion worth of it. Now imagine swapping just a fraction of that with Bitcoin. With its appreciating value, Bitcoin could be the hedge they need to secure their financial future. And this isn't just speculation, this is a real possibility. Especially with the Democratic Party in South Korea thinking about revamping the country's crypto policy. During a recent event, xCrypton CEO Kim Jong-seung said South Korea should follow the US lead in creating a strategic cryptocurrency reserve. And get this, the US reserve, which includes Bitcoin, gives the king of crypto a special status, almost like it's being crowned as the ultimate digital asset. And why not? Bitcoin track record is undeniable. This is getting big. Countries all over are waking up. Germany former finance minister Christian Lindner pushed for adding Bitcoins to their reserves and even suggests that the UE should jump on board. Japan still skeptical. But here's the twist. South Korea could be the one to break the mold, leading the way into a new era of financial services. But it's not just government. Japan, Metaplanet, has been on a Bitcoin buying spree. They just snagged another 156 Bitcoin, bringing the stash to nearly 2,400 BTC worth over $219 million. And this single move helped push Bitcoin price up by 7% yesterday. That's the kinds of market power we're talking about. Imagine if entire nation started doing the same. And then this Dubai's Emirate, NBD Bank just launched crypto trading on its LiveX app, giving retail users a chance to buy, to hold, and sell Bitcoins and other major cryptocurrencies. It's another sign that traditional finance and digital assets are coming together, and it's happening right now. What's driving this surge? Well, President Trump recently delayed on auto tariffs with Canada and Mexico took a lot of pressure off the markets. It didn't just lift the stocks market, it sends the crypto market soaring too. With the global crypto market cap back to $3.10 trillion, we're seeing investors ready to take on more risk, and Bitcoin is leading the charge. Just to be clear, this is not financial advice, but here's what I see. We're on the brink of the biggest wealth transfer in history. Countries, institutions, and smart investors are buying up Bitcoin behind the scene, while many folks are still sitting on the sideline. Every Bitcoin bought by a nation or an institution is one less available for the rest of us. There will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin. The clock is ticking, and the opportunity window is getting smaller by the day. But here's the good news. You don't need a whole Bitcoin to make a difference. Even just a fraction, a handful of Satoshi, put you in the game. The key is to stack what you can, when you can. Every little bit brings you closer to financial freedom. The big players are already making their moves. Don't let them shake you out of your future. This is the moment to stand strong. Hold tight and stagger right. If you like this video, check out this next video up here. Thank you and take care.